beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. Today I'm gonna be doing a video that I'm very excited about. This is going to be my 20k collab that I was talking about weeks ago. So I collaborated with a couple awesome YouTubers. We decided to come together and do a huge collaboration. It's huge to me. I mean, I thought more persons would have entered, but I'm satisfied. Okay, what you guys are about to see is them introducing themselves and introducing their channels, and I just want you guys to go and show them love. We're all here to grow and help each other, and I just really wanted to do this collab because I just felt like it was going to be so epic, and I'm so glad I did. It's not just hair and makeup, we have fitness on here, guys. Okay, we have fitness, we have advice videos, all kinds of stuff like that. I want you guys to stay tuned to this compilation of everybody telling you guys about their channel. Show them love. Everybody's link to their video is going to be left down below in the description bar, and this right here is my entry. I decided to do this SZA inspired transformation, I guess. It's a hair and a makeup video, guys, so you can go ahead and check it out. The link will be down below in the description bar. So as I said, check out the description bar below. Everybody's video is going to be linked right down there with their name beside the video. Go watch them thing, pre them thing, comment under their videos and tell them that I sent you. I don't know, let's just spread love, show love, and make YouTube better, because I swear you guys are like family to me on here. So if you guys haven't seen my video of me calling my subscribers, go watch that. That's the link down below and in the icons up top. Thumbs up this video if you guys like this whole idea of collaborating and showing each other love. I really want to do another one. I might do another one later on next year, so stay tuned. If we've not collaborated for this one, no worries, we can collaborate for the next one. Alright, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Crazy videos coming for December and into 2018 is going to be crazy. When I can't, some never did want to know. That's all I'm gonna say. Reviews, reaction, every friggin' thing. Pranks, like, I'm not calling it out too soon, but you guys are about to see how lit this channel is about to get. Okay, so thank you guys so much for your love and your continued support. Drop me a comment down below as usual. If you got featured in this video, drop me a comment. So yeah, love you guys so much. Stay tuned, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
Yo, what's up, Guan? Listen, I'm not Jamaican. What's up, guys? Thank you so much, Toya, for even just considering me to be in this collab. I'm super excited. Let me introduce myself really quick. First off, thank you so much. My name is Dallas. My channel is Fitness with Dal P. I lost about 85 plus pounds. I used to be about 300 pounds. Now I'm about like 210 pounds now. On my channel, I'm doing a lot of fitness tips. I'm doing a lot of how-to videos. I'm doing a lot of videos with me, you know, just with my family and some crazy randomness in between. I'm having a really good time in this. I just started YouTube in January, and I'm just getting the hang of things. So bear with me. We having a good time over here, man. Come to my channel, man. We getting lit over there. I just renovated this space. You know, come to my channel. We getting lit over there. I'ma see y'all. All right, peace.
What's up, people? You don't know, it's Carrie, baby, and I'm just popping in really quick to introduce myself. But first of all, I really want to shout out my girl Toya for doing this collaboration and helping us small YouTubers out. You know, I really appreciate it. I am a Jamaican living in New York City. I have a lifestyle channel here on YouTube where I post mostly makeup tutorials and natural hair videos. From time to time, I'll throw a few comedy skits in there, maybe some story times. I'm thinking about venturing into a whole lot of different areas to show different sides of my personality. So if you're interested, and I'm pretty sure you will be because I'm a pretty fun person, I'm just saying. If you're interested, come on over and become a part of the Carrie Couture family. I'd love to have you there, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is DJ Mitchell. I'm a fellow Jamaican YouTuber, if you couldn't tell by my necklace. My channel revolves around everything beauty, and I love expressing and showing love to different Caribbean islands. So I do a lot of looks inspired by Caribbean countries, and I just love embracing my culture and other cultures of the Caribbean. So come over to my channel if you want to learn more about different islands in the Caribbean. Also, if you're interested in some haul videos from makeup, clothes, I also do hair review videos. So if you would like to see my collab entry, click the link link down in the description box below. I am so excited to be a part of this collab with all these wonderful ladies, and I can't wait to meet and socialize lovely people here on Toya's channel. And if I love Caribbean people, come over to my channel. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm so proud of you, especially saying that you're another Caledonian and you're doing it. I'm so proud of your accomplishments here on YouTube and also outside of YouTube. You're an amazing person, and I know you say 1 minute clip, sorry, whatever. You put Jamaica on the map every time, you stay authentic, and that is what I love about you. Just thank you, like this is amazing. Not a lot of YouTubers on your level would ever do something like this. Like, you are amazing and you're so beautiful, your family is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stop.
Hi, I'm Ken. The name of my channel is Life as Ken. I created my channel to share my natural hair journey and also any other video that I am inspired to create. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be collabing with NaturallyMsToya. Head on over to my channel and support me by subscribing, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Thank you.
Hi Toya! Hi everyone, I'm Kishana. I have a blog channel called Kishi Audio Vlogs. Now you can check that out, where I do motivational and life issue blogs. I do little chit chats and I do tags as well, but at the end of the day you always get something motivational, something informative, some little tips and advice. Sometimes I'll throw a little surprise in there, something a bit different, but that's mainly what my channel is about. So go on over and check me out, like, subscribe, and comment. Give me your feedback, because I love to hear from you. I love to hear what you have to say. Stay beautiful, stay motivated. Bye.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Trisha. The name of my channel is We're Jamaican. On there you can find makeup tutorials, ear tutorials, vlogs, unboxing, review, all that good stuff. Pick up yourself, NaturallyMsToya, for this brilliant idea. I really appreciate it. I am so thankful to be a part of this collaboration. This is the look that I created for this collaboration. It's my everyday go-to makeup look. Y'all will see that I have 2 ways y'all can rock it: with lashes, with wings, without lashes, without wings. Your preference. If y'all are not subscribed to NaturallyMsToya, please hit the subscription button right now, because she's super amazing. The link to this look will be in the description bar below, so y'all can go click it, check it out, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you show me some love. If you want to see how I got this everyday natural look, y'all can keep on watching.
What's up, Wagwan? My name is Sharika and my YouTube channel name is Sharika Love. Now I do everything beauty related, you guys. I do hair, I do makeup, which is my main thing, guys. I love makeup. Alright, so if you love makeup too, go over to my channel. Again, it's Sharika Love, and subscribe. Why they active? Because I know that you're going to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you know every time I post a video. Alright, now this makeup look is up on my channel. It's a chit chat get ready with me. I'll be going out with my girlfriend tonight, so you know I got to slay. Alright, so go check out my channel, you guys. I really would appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. We'll keep in touch.